Afghan refugees in UAE protest at halt to U.S. relocation process. Hundreds of Afghans have launched a rare protest at a Gulf facility where they have been housed since fleeing their homeland last year, holding banners pleading for freedom and demanding to be sent to the United States. Thousands of Afghans were last year evacuated to the United Arab Emirates on behalf of the United States and other Western countries amid the chaotic US-led withdrawal from Afghanistan and return to power of the hardline Taliban movement.